Right, we're back out. This time I'm bringing
Johnny M, local legend and bass player of Halifax band No Nonsense. He's a great friend and also rumoured to have 12 cats.
This time we're just sort of working out where we're going to be camping. We're just going to go out onto the moors. I'm out in the OEX Salamander Bush Pro Bivvy. Last time I tried to go out in it, it didn't go so well and I almost died. If you haven't seen that video already, then you want to go and have a look at it now. Don't make these styles easy. So I haven't brought a newbie along with me. Sean has been camping and hiking with me up in the lakes before as well. It's also worth adding on that we're both playing the same band, so we both know a fair bit about each other. It's not just two random blokes on a hillside, or is it? I suppose if you came across us we would be. Mega boggy. Well, it might be absolutely boggy up here, but the views for miles are just beautiful. We're turning on spot, Sean. Turning on spot. Oh, there we are. Let's see how long we can get to chase the camera for. Is he in it now? That's all your walking done. Go on, Shawnee, you first. How much do you trust your shoes? Now it's my turn. Look at that. It's become a river. Oh, straight up there, look. Oh, that looks deep, doesn't it? Oh, he's treating me, look. Got some Kinder cards. Never had them before, but I'll let you know when I have them later on. Surprisingly creamy. Surprisingly creamy, he says. How I like my women. Woman. Married man these days. It basically look like that. I don't know if you can see in the distance, Sudley Pike. I was there just a few weeks ago with Grizzly Gaz. It's probably so tiny in the distance though you probably won't be able to see it miles away, but you can see it from afar. Highest point in Calderdale. What do you think about this spot for camping, Shawnee? See anything wrong with it?
It's a bit shit.
Full of sheep crap everywhere. Don't think we'll be camping here. The search continues. It's a bit too windy up here, so I think we're going to drop down, find a camping location, get out of the wind. It's all about enjoying it when we're out. It's not about suffering in the elements. However, I've been told it's going to rain a bit, maybe sleet, but the tents are up for the job, aren't they?
I hope so.
He hopes so. I've lent him one of mine today. He's not in his usual tent. Thought I'd give him something else to try a bit different. So he's never been in it. is in the Vango Complex Compact 100, as I've called it, because it's really complex on how to put it up. So I'm gonna let him try it himself first.
I don't know what you do it.
Yeah, I'm not putting it up for you. Oh, it won't fit in mine either. When you see what I've brought. Look at this lovely spot. Could be nice and sheltered. Put a tarp over there in the ditch. Having a look over these hills, shall we? Studley Pike still in the distance. Look at him, the legend, talking sheep. Oh, they're very wary. Oh, they're not too bothered. We'll scoot past them this way. I have no idea what that town is down there. We're going to head over that area.
That's too big for sheep poo, that's human poo.
How do you know unless you give it a taste, Shawnee? Tell us the difference.
Go on.
No, no. No. Things he would do for the content. Told you he's a legend. Got some sheep over there in the field, and must have one or two escape artists. I don't want to be filmed because he's a criminal. He's running. Proper in the rough now, off the beaten track. I don't know where I've taken us, but we're just plodding on now. Well and truly lost, aren't we?
You're always taking weird things.
I've taken us in some questionable environments before. There was,
Yeah, we've been to a lot worse than this.
yeah, this is not the worst we've been in. We've been knee high in bogs in right by the coast. You'd think all the water would be in the ocean, wouldn't you? No. Where else we've been? Rock climbing at the top of the lakes, just literally scrambling with 20 kg on our backs.
Midnight, packed it car.
Oh yeah, night nav. I tell you once, it was so windy. It was just too dangerous to stay at the top, so we made the decision to drop down right by Fleetwood Pike. That took about 3 hours in the dark.
Yeah, we're past mid.
Yeah, I think we backed up at like 1 o'clock, didn't we? Oh, been some good ones though. Like, we've camped in between some dunes before. We did camp by Kinder, Mermaid's Pool. Really nice spot if it's not windy like it was for us. But the spot was actually quite beautiful.
Walk up to sheep eating my tent.
Oh yeah, and we woke up to sheep. Shawnee was getting trampled by sheep in his porch. We had I had sheep right outside the porch with my tent. Where else have we been, buddy?
Places?
We have been some places. We've
Well, we was above the fighter jets.
oh yeah, we camped by Red Pike, and that was right above some fighter jets, and it was just incredible. We were just there eating lunch and 2 fighter jets just fly through. Right near the bottom here, it's just so beautiful, especially in the summer. So we've got some plans. We're trying to get our fitness up for September. I believe we're going to plan up a Coaldale Way charity walk. So if you're interested and you've got some hints and tips for us, or you want to get involved, let us know. I mentioned it to Grizzly Gaz as well. He should be getting in touch with me about it, and let's see how we go. But it's safe to say we've all put a bit of timber on since we last did our last charity walk, so we just need to get our fitness up So if you've got any hints and tips for that as well, well, let us know. Oh, Shawnee's seen something. Like jelly. Could be like a transporting jellyfish. There's a load of it, isn't there? On the track. Yeah, we found like a small sort of like old building. Got no roof, but
Like a caravan.
and a caravan, an old caravan on the trails. Stuff like this could help provide a bit of wind barrier maybe. Should we just sleep inside the caravan?
I'm up for it.
Yeah. Let's have a look, shall we? Ooh. It's a mess. Tilt us to the side. Oh. We're at the outbuilding. Looks it's got a roof obviously. Got a tree growing out of it. Shawnee's over there, look. Squeezing it. Can he fly?
Not with his bag on.
We found our spot. I'm gonna camp here. Still a bit of wind coming towards us, but it's not enough to worry about. So we'll just get sorted, sorry, and yeah. Look at this spot that we've got, absolutely beautiful. So we've got the moon coming out already. It's a bit eager beaver, isn't it? There we have it. Tents are up, beautiful views. Back to Lewisham Light now, so we're going to get all camping beds set up and stuff, and then might set up a tarp over there, ready for lunch. We've got 6 pork and Bramley apple sausages, so we'll see how that goes. Get them in the pan first. Well, it's got dark quick. We're now cooking by torchlight now, but we're on the go with it. I've got some brown rye sourdough. It's like a bloomer, but I've sort of just hollowed it out like a pitta. Sort of like, you know, shoved my fingers in there like a prostate exam and just gutted it. So
how's this work? You just feel my pulse, or
I mean, I know you don't got a prostate exam, but you can tell the motion anyway. Two fingers in there. So we're going to use this. Got some red pesto to go in there. Bacon, but on the bacon, I'm going to throw some maple syrup in there.
You know what? I think I have something. Yes.
You like sugar, huh?
Is there sugar and syrup?
Yes.
Then yes.
Well, we've got the sausages cooking. Oh, we've got the cheese. How could I forget the cheese? We've got an old smoked peppercorn mature cheddar, and we've got it in slices, so we'll let you know how that goes as well. It's a 3 strength, but we'll give you a rating on the taste very shortly. Bacon's proper cooking now as well. Bacon's in there. got music on the go. Got the fire pit out, and the fire's going. We just brought some sort of eco logs with us, so yeah, I just thought while we're cooking dinner, why not just get a bit of the fire going. We look like a couple of homeless, don't we, by an old building with fire pit, but look at that fire. Could get lost in that, and the heat is giving off is just lovely. That's it, we melted some cheese on it, but the bacon's done, the sausages are in. Nice and warm as well. Time to get it in that. Fire's roasting. It's gonna be a good tea. Forget that, retry that. Look at that, it's just bacon, sausage and cheese and pesto. Greasing bread basically. What are we looking like, Shawnee?
Delicious.
Oh. So cheers. Yay, cheers.
Yes. This cheese is really good.
It really is. It's only a 3, but it's so good. Look at the steam coming off it as well. It's bigger than our faces. Seven o'clock and there's already snow on the tents. Oh, not so bad. We've just had a small hail sort of storm. I doubt the fire will last long now. So it started to hail, and so we just sort of, I suppose, panicked a little bit. We decided to get into tents. Well, whatever you call this, tiny tent. We put the fire out, and yeah, let me show you what I'm working with tonight. So, turn you around. That's the roof of the tent, and that's my feet. Practically like a coffin. When I selected this shelter for the trip, I didn't expect to be hail. It's just randomly come on, so I didn't expect to be in the bivvy, in the shelter for as long as I am tonight. It's only gone 7 o'clock, so yeah. Food good though, food good. Shawnee said he's going to watch some TV and stuff and chill out, so I'll see what I can get on with. But yeah, it's been a good trip. Really enjoyed the hiking, really enjoyed sort of chilling out, hanging out with Shawnee and just chatting away, really. Just chatting a load of bollocks, really. The food as well, yeah, very good. So I suppose there's not really much more to do. Oh, it's quite windy. So, see what happens. Let's see how the night goes. Tent's really flapping around now in the wind. It's getting some beating taken out of it. Well, it's absolutely coming down. You alright?
Up a zip and I felt a cold coming.
Well, that's us. It's still a bit windy, but we're gonna get ourselves off to sleep and just chill out, settle down. But we've had a semi-decent night, apart from being stuck in the tent. So hopefully we can get some good night sleep. Although it's not looking likely. Shawnee said good night. Well, it's like 3 AM now, and it's still going. Managed to get a little bit of sleep, but not great. And me and Shorty are just gonna get off because it's literally about 20 minutes to the car, and I think we just not enjoyed it, so I think if it'd be best to just get ourselves off, get ourselves to sleep in a nice warm bed. Just gonna get ourselves off, get packed down, which is probably not gonna be too easy in this, and then yeah, get ourselves out. Well, we're back now. Terrible out there, so it's been quite bad. But we got a bit of night navigation in, didn't we?
We're pros at it now.
Yeah, so it's not the first time we've had to bail on a camp, it won't be the last. So, but at least we're back in car, we're nice and safe. And
Got eating on.
that's it, eating on. It's about 4:30 now, so we're yeah, just gonna get home, try and get some sleep. Alright, see you on the next video, guys.
Good night.
Come on. Oh, this ain't good, is it? Can't do it, man. Don't be a cunt. Oh. The what?
I can't believe how much I need to adjust these.
What, the rucksack, why? Is it a different amount of weight, or? You've got fat.